I'm gonna be showing you how you can remove the background.
So as you can see here guys, there is a background noise on this video. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can remove the background noise in just 1 minute. So just follow the steps in this video and you will be able to remove the background noise. So if you are like me, you record videos outside, like there is always the noise in the video. Here is exactly how you can remove that in a few steps. Like this is very easy. I didn't expect this to be this easy. So just search before you search for anything. If you want to remove the background noise, you want to just click this arrow, as you can see this arrow here, this arrow, click on it and then click on effects. Now after you click on effects, you want to search here in the top, you want to search for denoise. Okay, now after you search guys for denoise, you want to, it says here denoise. This is it. If you don't see it here, you want to click this arrow where it says noise reduction and restoration. You want to click on it and then at the bottom you will see there this denoise. You want to just click and hold on it and then drag it to the audio here. Put it here. Now as you can see, we have put it here in the audio, and now the noise will be removed. So as you can see here now, the voice is more clear, more like this is exactly how you can remove it. It's very simple guys. Leave a like if this video helped you. If it does, leave a like. See you guys next time.